Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how much it costs to waterproof a basement. We'll break down the various factors that influence the overall price, from the type of waterproofing method to the size of your space. You'll gain a clear understanding of typical cost ranges, helping you budget effectively for this essential home improvement. Let's dive into the details to help you make informed decisions for a dry and healthy basement. Interior waterproofing offers effective solutions for managing water already inside your basement. Simple methods like sealants and waterproof paint can cost between $200 and $1,100. 1. For more comprehensive interior drainage systems, including a sump pump, expect to pay anywhere from $2,000 to $7,300. 10. These options are generally less invasive and focus on redirecting water away from your living space. For a more preventative approach, exterior waterproofing stops water before it even reaches your foundation. This method often involves excavation and can range from $1,000 to $15,000. 8. It typically includes installing a French drain and applying a waterproof membrane to the exterior walls. 6. While more extensive, exterior waterproofing provides long-term protection by addressing the source of the problem. Several key factors influence the overall cost of basement waterproofing. The size of your basement is a major determinant, with costs typically ranging from $3.50 to $10 per square foot. 8. The extent of existing water damage and your geographic location also play significant roles. Additionally, any necessary foundation crack repairs or other supplementary work will contribute to the final investment. Always get multiple quotes for an accurate estimate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.